Hi, this is Scott from McKenzie Property, and this is the video walkthrough tour for Unit 6 of 69 Coonan Street in Indooroopilly. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with single garage space, and it's just a few minutes walk from both Indooroopilly Shopping Mall and Indooroopilly train station. It's in the catchment area for Indooroopilly State School and also for Indooroopilly High School, and there's a number of other very popular high schools close to this property, including St Peter's and Brigidine. So let's take a look inside. So we'll just pause for a moment as we enter the property to give you the layout. So straight ahead we have the open plan living, dining and kitchen and the front balcony, and then over to the right here we have the master bedroom with ensuite, second bedroom and the family shared bathroom. So we'll head straight down the hall, which opens out into the very generous living and dining area with open plan kitchen. To the front of the property we have double sliding doors, both with security and fly screen, leading on to the balcony, which stretches the full width of the property. So this property is carpeted throughout, and it has air conditioning in the living dining area here, as well as secure intercom. So we'll go on through to the kitchen now, which has tiled flooring, large pantry, glass cooktop, stainless oven, stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel sink and 1/3 sink plus drainer, and the windows looking out onto the balcony, again with security and fly screen. So we have lots of cupboard space in the kitchen, both at head level and at floor level. Okay, so let's head through to the bedrooms. And as with all our videos, we do try to ensure accuracy, but we can't guarantee it. So we do encourage anyone who wishes to make an application to inspect the property first. So we have the linen closet in the hall here, and then heading through to the second bedroom, which is a good size double bedroom, again with fly and security screen on the window. And it has the triple mirrored built-in wardrobes. And then into the master, which again is a very good sized double bedroom with double mirrored wardrobes. Fly and security screen on the window. And in the ensuite we have large corner shower, single vanity with mirror above, and just behind the door we have a toilet. And finally we have the family shared bathroom, which again has single vanity with mirror above. It's a tiled floor. We have a recess here for the laundry. So we have stainless steel tub and cupboard below, as well as a space for the washing machine. And then the toilet and shower above the bath. So if you'd like more details about this property, please visit our listing on realestate.com.au. where you will also find details of our next open home date and time. And if those dates and times don't suit you, then please contact the office to arrange a private inspection by telephoning 07 3040 1200.